Organizations often lack internal audit staffs, with modern capabilities connecting findings to strategic planning priorities, struggling to spotlight underlying risks requiring technology-enabled assessments correlating dispersed datasets. Generic compliance checklists overwhelm groups without sharpened skills discreetly uncovering fraud indicators and operational improvement opportunities. Our intensive program develops elevated internal audit experts through honed assessment and reporting techniques, helping enterprises course-correct strategic risks. Attendees master data-driven auditing, interview methods eliciting root causes and compelling visualization formats, upholding leadership strategy support. Graduates guide organizations from compliance to high-value intelligence partners through versatile skills discreetly unveiling reporting flaws, fraud risks and process improvements. Strengthen institutional vigilance and continuity with savvy audit partners cultivating trust through discretion and drive upholding financial controls, ethics and growth priorities in parallel. Register now to distinguish your skills and amplify careers through advanced auditing methods that discreetly uphold enterprise integrity.